Hey guys, this is Mike Tarallo with Qlik, and welcome to SaaS in 60. This week, we introduce 2 new templates and 5 new automation connectors for Qlik Application Automation. Qlik Application Automation uses a no-code drag-and-drop approach that helps you assemble automated workflows that optimize processes, integrate SaaS applications, and drive actions in your business as they happen. When creating a new automation, you will now see 2 new templates for GitHub in the change control category: commit and import. These pre-built templates use a combination of our new GitHub and Qlik Cloud Services connector blocks that can automatically save QlikSense SaaS apps to your GitHub repository when they are published to your SaaS tenant, as well as import apps from your GitHub repository, offering a customizable way to create and manage change control processes for your QlikSense SaaS environment. We have also added new connectors for GitLab, which can also be used for change control management. You will see connectors for PowerBI and Tableau, which can add product-specific user, group, dataset, and app management capabilities to your workflows. There is a new connector for expert.ai to include text perception and analysis tasks that transform data into knowledge through its deep understanding of complex language. And finally, we have the new OAuth 2 connector, providing specific authorization flows for web and desktop applications and mobile phones. And that is your SaaS in 60.